everyone, people. Everyone is doing fine. So here we go with another apology. I put up this video earlier, was seeing that here we go again, another person disrespecting Andrew Holness. This young man, however, lives in England, and what happened is the Scotland police got on his case. So here we go with yet another apology, because I'm taking this thing for a joke.
What's going on, people? Back again. Last night I put out a video on my Facebook page, and I know it gone viral, and people in Jamaica take it serious, especially I think the government and the police constabulary force. And I just want to let everybody know it was just all a joke. It was nothing serious. You know, I get the video on my phone last night, and I just jump out my car, and I just out of the heat of the moment, I just make that video and I send it out. As you know, always on YouTube and Twitter, all these pages talking about stuff, blogging about stuff. But just want to let everybody know, just keep calm. I didn't mean anything by it. It was just purely a joke. I was just mimicking what happened to the guys them in I think it was Ola Bar, Spanish Town. I'm not even quite sure. I know I just realized that this video gone viral, and you know people taking it serious and stuff like that. So just to let Andrew Holness and the Jamaica Constabulary Force know that I didn't mean anything by it, and it was pure joke. You know, like I said, I always blogging and stuff on the social media, and I hope everybody just listen to what the Prime Minister says. Stay indoors, because this coronavirus is really serious. Now I'm in England, and people are dying left, right, and centre. Our death toll gone up over 500 people dying a day. So you know, this coronavirus really, really serious, and you know, sorry for coming out and just making fun of it, but I know how really, really serious this is. So I just want everybody to stay indoors, follow what the Prime Minister say, and just keep her calm. I didn't mean anything by it. And like I said, Andrew Holness, Jamaica Constabulary Force, I have my sincere apology for the swearing that I was swearing and calling your name. But like I said, it was pure joke I was doing it for. So I hope everybody can just forget about this one. I will just can move on and concentrate on dealing with the coronavirus. So sorry about that. Thank you. Bye.